At the top of Olympus, above the dazzling clouds, an event occurred that shook the universe. The goddess Hera, the proud ruler, stared with burning anger. Why? Because a big secret had been revealed before him. Goddess Leto, a strong woman, felt a miracle in her womb. However, it wasn't happiness that radiated from his face, but anxiety. Pregnant by Zeus, her solid husband, Leto knew that Hera, her legal wife, would never allow her to give birth on solid ground. Desperately, Leto wanders endlessly, enduring endless pain and obstacles. However, like light in the midst of darkness, he suddenly discovered the floating island Delos, a place that was not bound by Hera's prohibitions. It was here on the shores of a calm ocean that Leto gave birth to her children. Artemis, full of grace like the moon at night, and Apollo, light shining on the world like the sun during the day. However, their happiness did not last long. Hera, full of anger, sent the snake monster Python to swallow the babies. In their desperate escape, Leto and his children encounter various obstacles, including harsh treatment from farmers and cruel threats from bloodthirsty snakes. However, amidst the suffering, courage and unwavering determination emerged. Artemis finds her calling in hunting, while Apollo, armed with the mighty power of the bow, vows revenge on the savage Python. With the help of Zeus, Apollo managed to find the Python's nest and faced it in a fierce battle. In an epic battle, Apollo discovered the monster's weakness and ultimately defeated it, establishing the place as a sacred place for veneration. And so, from courage, discovery, and vengeance, the legend of Artemis and Apollo was born that will be remembered forever. Such is the story of gods and goddesses who dared to face challenges, proving that strength lies not only in the blue sky, but also in a heart full of determination. Witness these unforgettable wonders of Greek mythology, where strength and courage shine through their every step.